In this video, I'll show you how to install any mods in Resident Evil 2 Remake on PC. Before installing mods, right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Go back and copy the game folder and paste it in same location. Rename it as Backup. Once you're done, check my video description for this fluffy mod manager download link. Select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. Check my video description for second mod link. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I choose this Clear Bad Cop. Select the manual download option and download the mod that you like. Once the Fluffy Mod Manager download done, right click and select the WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the exe. Choose Game. Scroll down and select the Resident Evil 2 Remake. Choose Game folder. Choose the game's install folder. Select the game folder and select folder option. And now select the mod list. To install mods, minimize this. Go to games in the Fluffy Mod Manager RE2R mods. Go to downloads and copy the mod we downloaded. RAR file, paste it in here. Once you're done, go back to the Fluffy Mod Manager. Refresh mod list. And as you can see, clear one mod found. Select the mod. Turn on the mod. Once you turn on, it will be installed. As you can see, to disable this mod, just turn it off. That's simple. Just minimize this. Now you can launch the game. I will show you guys the installed mod in game. Go to story, costumes, and clear. As you can see, bad cop costume is in here. Select the costume. And we have successfully installed the mod, guys. This way you can install any mods for Resident Evil 2. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.